Nestled along a naturally formed terrace at the gentle, north-sloping base of Queenstown Hill, the 1.8-hectare site of Pouaka Waikura commands an impressive view of the untamed Shotover River. Having owned this piece of land for 2 decades, the clients, staunch locals who previously lived in a modest cottage nearby, spent years planting and tending to the mature grapes that now flourish on the upper terraces. When the time came to establish a permanent home for their later years, they envisioned a sanctuary tailored to a relaxed country lifestyle, a place designed for making wine, tinkering with classic cars, and enjoying the landscape. To realize this vision, Patterson Associates conceptualized the estate as a cluster of 4 robust, rectilinear pavilions casually arranged along the natural terrace. Built with off-form concrete boxes, walls, and parapets, the structures are wrapped in rusting Corten steel and framed by blackened steel joinery. This specific material composition and arrangement gives the project a unique architectural identity, revealing itself as something akin to a Wild West shanty town that feels both rugged and deeply rooted in its environment. Each of the 4 pavilions operates under a distinct, self-sufficient program to balance daily living with the owner's hobbies. The central pavilion serves as the heart of the home, housing a bright, open living space flanked by a generous kitchen, the primary bedroom suite, and a cozy snug, separated from the main living quarters to ensure privacy. A dedicated guest pavilion features a study and 2 suites, offering a welcoming and independent space for visiting family members to come and go. The remaining 2 pavilions are dedicated to the utilitarian and lifestyle passions of the clients. The 3rd pavilion is designed as a functional drive-through carport. One side accommodates a small wine production area and a dedicated wine cellar for their homegrown vintage, while the opposite side houses a practical wood store and the main plant room. Completing the cluster, the 4th pavilion consists of a spacious 3-bay garage and workshop, providing ample space for working on and storing old cars. Equally as vital as the indoor quarters are the external spaces that connect the pavilions. Sailing large timber-lined soffits extend outward to create sheltered outdoor living areas, allowing the clients to spend their days sitting at outdoor tables while immersed in the view of the river winding around the bend. Both inside and out, the material palette remains intentionally restrained, relying on Corten steel, raw concrete, blackened steel, and bents on large timber to let the house seamlessly blend into the surrounding terrain, with each material left to express its own honest, living finish. Throughout the entire property, the architecture balances meticulous craftsmanship with effortless functionality. Materials are detailed with flush panels, level thresholds, and concealed surfaces to minimize visual clutter, while the Corten panels follow a rhythmic pattern to optimize material use. Automated shuttered windows react to sensors, smartly managing northern glare and sun shading while facilitating natural ventilation. Ultimately, Pouaka Waikura stands as a robust yet relaxed estate, intentionally designed to endure the elements and age gracefully alongside its landscape.